In this video, we're going to follow trade discounts from a manufacturer of ATVs. In certain regions, they may go through distributors. In other regions, they might go through wholesalers. And in other regions, they might actually go directly to retailers. Different trade discounts are given to various buying levels. So for example, the manufacturer will give a 20% trade discount to the retailers. On top of this, we'll get an additional 8% discount to the wholesalers. And finally, an even further 6.25% discount to our distributors. Our goal is to figure out what price the manufacturer is going to receive from each of the various buying levels on this ATV. Let's begin with the retailers. The retailers are going to receive a 20% trade discount on the list price of $25,000. Putting that into our calculator, we see that the net price that the manufacturer is going to receive from our retailers should be $20,000. For the wholesalers, this equation is going to apply. We actually have two discounts that will happen in succession. So we have a $25,000 list price. We have our first discount of 20% that is applied, and then we have an additional 8% discount. Now, to make this a little bit easier to input into the calculator, I do suggest to simplify the following brackets. So for example, 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8, and 1 minus 0.08 is 0.92. And multiplying these three numbers together should give us a net price of $18,400. And finally, when it comes to our distributors, they actually end up getting 3 trade discounts applied in succession. So we start with our list price of $25,000. We apply our 20% trade discount, followed by our 8% trade discount, and then finally they get one last trade discount of 6.25%. And similarly to what we did in the last part of this question, I do suggest simplifying these brackets so that it's a little bit easier to apply these inside of our calculator. Applying all 3 of these trade discounts to the list price of $25,000 gives us a net price of $17,250 for our distributors.